Good morning. It is July 15th, 2026. Let's get a garden update. Replanted our turnips yesterday. They were good. We have time for a second batch. We have some black Simpson lettuce we need to work on. Our carrots. Some herbs up there. Beautiful flower. Let's see. Cabbage in a pot. A pomegranate bush. Tomato. 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 Parks Whopper tomato. Another tomato. Tomatillos are not looking good at all. We have our sugar baby watermelon. There's a sugar pumpkin. Our sugar cube cantaloupe. A sweet pepper. Purple pearl pepper. This is a mystery tomato. The package said potato seeds. So these are all going to be green beans. I'm restarting green beans. We have a good 60 days left. Plus the greenhouse. Ooh, we're getting peppers. Jalapeno peppers. Hot peppers. Bell peppers. I moved the beans out of the old garden back in here because we had room. Back there is our sugar baby watermelon. Kind of liking the fence. This is our yellow watermelon. I did lose the one that we found 2 weeks ago, but I think I found another one. Let's see. I need to stretch him out. Oh yes. I know I need to clean up in here. There's a little baby. So I'm not going to fondle the plant too much because that's how I lost the last one. Watermelon's off. Parks Whopper tomato from the KMX. Basil I need to harvest. I think that's the super sauce and that's the Rutgers. Haha. I did that on purpose. Butternut squash. Oh, and look what I found. Hold on. Where'd he go? Look, look, look. I think we'll get a squash. Redid radishes yesterday, so we'll get another batch of them. Bell peppers. With the beautiful basil plant. I need to harvest some basil. And cabbage trough is looking pretty good. I think we're going to have a few heads. Let's go check out the food forest. Let's take a look at the food forest. We're also looking at my to-do list, guys. Rosemary and thyme, clean that up. Rock raised bed. Carrots are not very happy. Radishes are remain bolted, so I put new seeds in there yesterday. We have our broccoli. We have our blue barrage, starflowers, barrage, cabbage. I'm gonna get some heads off you too. Celery likes it out here. I see some weeds I gotta get out. We have cauliflower. It's not looking too mad at me. Our silver queen corn. I'm not really impressed with the corn. Not really impressed. I'm not sure I'm going to get what I want. Wildflowers are back there. We got rain yesterday. It hadn't rained in like 2 weeks. Super happy. So y'all got an update because I don't have the water. Squash, beans, and corn. My three sisters. Not bad. Not sure if we'll get any harvest, but it's fun trying. Here, the amaze corn. And sunflowers. Sugar pumpkins, not as impressive as last year, but I still have a good 60, 75 days, I think. Sugar pumpkins, of course, when I do less plants. Carrots got redone. Was not liking the way we did it. It was a new way, so new carrots put yesterday. Celery and celery. It's like an outside. Peppermint pots you'll see throughout. Our yellow watermelon. I gotta get some weeds out. There's 4 plants in here from the KMAC project. Y'all saw 1 in the greenhouse. And then we have 4 out here. Cantaloupe, pretty sure I'm not going to get any, but it is growing. I just don't think it's going to ripen and produce in time. 3 honeydew. Before we get to the potatoes, let's check out, we'll do the cucumbers. I got one too, I think I have to pull it off. These new cucumbers are looking happier. We do have one I'm gonna pull. So let cucumber season begin. We got some healthier plants growing now, so. Oh, I think I have another one. Look at there. So I think we're gonna start cucumbers soon. Echinacea, zucchini. Looking pretty happy. So we'll get some zucchini, I'm pretty sure. And I will teach it to climb the trellis. I forgot to show you the pea pillar. Keep forgetting to do that. Pea pillar. All the peas are going to climb the pillar. Isn't that a good idea? I like the pea pillar. I don't think we have peas yet, but it won't be long. Okay, so let's go. My beans. You saw I started more in the greenhouse. We're already getting harvest off these. So we're going to have lots of beans. Lots of beans. This squash, I think that was the straight neck. It's not very happy with me right now. Sugar cube cantaloupe. We might. I'm not holding my breath. Potatoes. What you don't see is there are actually 4 rows here. That's our volunteer plant from last year. In the back, you have the russets, and then you'll see a row of the small red, yellow, purple. And then we planted some more small, the red, yellow, purple. So we have time. All potatoes. Isn't that cool? We have lots of potatoes and beans. Tomatoes. They're not looking bad. He wants to be tied up. We're getting some fruit and they are growing. None are red yet, but we'll get it. That basil needs trim. We're looking at a variety of tomatoes. These right here are the Rutgers. Again, peppermint plants strewed throughout, but do you see the mound? Yeah. Helps with some things, I guess. And there's another little mound. That's why you see pinwheels. It's supposed to vibrate the ground and scare the groundhogs away. That's super sauce. I'm not sure it's working very well. I'll have to get a whole lot more pinwheels. If anybody has any suggestions on how to get rid of the gophers or groundhog or whatever, let me know in the comments. I don't want to use any killer or anything, you know. I just kind of wanted to drive them away, so might just need to get more pinwheel. We have wildflowers. Blueberry. 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 Blackberry. Blackberry. Strawberry pillar. Asparagus. I've never done asparagus before. Most of you guys know I order the 2-year crowns. Follow the directions and we have asparagus. We have apple tree, not doing very well. Apple tree, not doing very well. A loud rooster. There's another apple tree, it's doing pretty good. Alright, I didn't show you the peppers. This is what Tiffany's project is, probably today. We need to get some weeding done. Mother Nature takes care of the watering, so I need to get out here and take care of the weeding. You see bell peppers, you see hot peppers, you see jalapeno peppers, Anaheim. If I stand about right here, it's probably everything on the right. One side is more bell peppers, and then I tried to keep all the hot ones together. Alright. Let's see how the old garden area is doing. For those that don't know, this is the older garden area. Here we're doing the regular cucumbers. The ones I showed you in the food forest are all the pickling, raspberry. Regular cucumbers, raspberry. Deal. Should probably harvest some of that. Thimbleberry mixed with raspberry. It's a northern bedstraw. Echinacea's back there. Thimbleberry. Thimbleberry likes to spread. Catnip. Gotta harvest some of that too. Elderberry bush. Rhubarb. I pulled the pea plants and beans yesterday. So we have some raspberries. This is my sage. It's not the white sage, but it's sage. Strawberries. My herb pot. Rosemary, oregano, thyme, basil, and parsley. Probably should trim some of that basil. Yep, I think time to trim some basil. Raspberries. Spinach kept going to bolt. The temperatures here are crazy. So, we were given a comfrey plant. Comfrey goes in a pot. Apparently it spreads. That's the tree. Super proud of my onions. Super proud of my onions. Hold on. And look. First year mullein plants. I think the mullein plants like the onions too. They are going to seed. I would like to collect these seeds, so I'm trying to wait to pull it till I know I can collect seeds. Can you believe? I'm proud of my overwintered onions. And do you see all the mullein? First year mullein plants. I think I have some safe mullein. I know what's in this trough. All onions. Second year mullein plant. Blueberries have been here for a while. They don't like this area. That's why we got new ones for the food forest. Broccoli. Raspberry. Tomato. They're getting greener. They went in shock with the weather, with the warm and then the cold and then the warm, so I think we might get something off of it. If not, you've seen the greenhouse and the food forest. I think I have enough tomatoes. Don't you think? Don't tell anybody. 5-gallon bucket challenge. I'll do an update on that soon. We'll let them grow a little bit more, but there's the 5-gallon bucket challenge from Outdoors with Big Matt. Second year mullein plant. Isn't it pretty? Butter crunch lettuce. Strawberries. Strawberries. Tiffany needs to clean out the strawberries. More mint. I have a lot of mint. And let's go check out my herbs. There are chives in there, but I think the birds keep pulling it up. I know, it sounds weird, and I need to weed the area again. My white sage. It's time to harvest. When I harvest, I'll try to record, but if I don't get a recording, please never harvest more than 1/3 of the plant. So it's a pretty big plant, but I don't want it going to flower. We'll get that harvested, hung and dried. Let's go check Medicine Hill. You're looking at Medicine Hill, full of perennial herbs. I'm excited about this one. That's echinacea. Everything should come back next year. That's weeds I need to deal with. Catnip. This is beautiful. Feverfew. Not a doctor, but I hear it's good for headaches. Check it out. I need to harvest some of that. So hopefully I can record a video when we harvest the feverfew. I won't take much of it. Ginger mint. I need to weed this area out too. Ginger mint. And some funky mushrooms. Peppermint, need to get the grass out. Recently did a harvest on that, so that's why it's been cut back. You're looking at my lemon balm. There's one there. And there's one there. They actually need a little trim. Trim those, and I have some in water that I'll put in the middle. Thank you all for your love and support and encouragement. Please try to grow one plant this season, even if it's in your windowsill. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. And until next time, love you all.